So we had the idle issue on the Dodge. We changed the IAC valve. That didn't work. So now we're going to change the throttle position sensor. It's right there. First thing we're going to do is get the wiring harness off. Take that out. Then we're going to grab a multimeter. Just make sure that it's getting the right voltage. It should be, the power should be 5 volts. Once we have that, we take out the old one, which in this case, this thing was old. It looked like it was probably there from the factory. And then we'll pop in the new one, get the screws in there, throw the wiring harness back on, and the swap is pretty much done. Now, there's still more work to do. We got to dial this thing in, and that's in the next video. So stick around. We'll show that one next.